I wanted to show you guys how I go from like my curly hair to straight. I know a lot of natural girls, they don't like to straighten their hair that often. Maybe I've just gotten lucky, but I do straighten my hair quite often. I haven't straightened it since January because I got braids, but I do straighten my hair quite often, and I haven't seen it like have an effect on my hair. So I wanted to show you guys how I straighten my hair, what I use, and stuff like that. So you gotta forgive me, I just got done working out. This is why, I got all of this going on. So yeah, I just figured I would record a video. It is Memorial Day weekend. We are still like, I wouldn't say we're in quarantine. The city is open up, but I'm not just about to be out there like that. So yeah, I'm gonna get cute, but I don't know what I'm gonna actually do because I think I'm just gonna like be low key. But anyway, so today the products that I am going to be using is Pantene. This is not sponsored, obviously, because I wouldn't be looking like this. But Pantene, this is the Smooth and Sleek Conditioner and the shampoo. You can find this in your local Target, Walmart, wherever Pantene products are sold. But this is like OG, y'all. Pantene, the brand, is OG. I love it. Even though this says it fights frizz for 48 hours, nothing beats the Houston humidity. So my hair does still puff up, but the way I do it, it ends up still looking like decent. So yeah, I'm going to be using this and this, but then when I straighten my hair, I also like to deep condition it. So the deep conditioner I am going to be using, this is like my favorite, and I have not been able to find it, from Shea Moistures. And y'all, I just got like probably enough to do my hair this time, so I'm gonna have to figure something out as far as deep conditioner. So if you have like a deep conditioner that you love, that you think I should try, definitely let me know down in the comment section, because like I said, this is all I got. I do have other deep conditioners, but this is my absolute favorite because it doesn't make my hair greasy and weigh it down, because I like to have some body in my hair. But yeah, so if you guys know any other good deep conditioners, just let me know down in the comments. So I'm gonna go and wash my hair off camera because I haven't become that skilled at having the camera or my phone in the shower and all of that. I'm gonna figure it out one day. But I'm gonna go wash my hair, and then I'm gonna come back and show you guys the process. Okay, y'all, so I just finished washing my hair. I just threw it up in a little ponytail, but I am going to be blow drying it with the Infinity Pro ConAir blow dryer. I got this out of Target. Now I don't think I paid that much for it, but yeah, this is the blow dryer that I am going to be using, and I'm just going to part my hair into sections so I can blow dry it a little bit faster. And I'm not like obviously parting this no cute type of way, but and I am like in a hurry. I always run behind. Like, I'm not that friend that's late all the time, but I do find myself like waiting till the last minute to do stuff, and then I'm rushing. But I do hate being late, and I hate when people are late, especially when you make plans like ahead of time and they know what time they're supposed to be there. Like, that just irks me. I don't think I got all the conditioner out of my hair in the back. Oh well, it's gonna have to work. It's in the back. Okay, and then I am going to take this little paddle brush here and comb through this one more time just to make sure I have all the kinks out, so when I'm blow drying it doesn't get caught in my hair. Be a smooth process. Alrighty, and I am about to just blow dry it. I have this on hot, but then I put it on low. Oops, I wasn't trying to turn it on, but yeah, it's on the hot setting on low, and then throughout while I'm blow drying the sections, I'll blast it with the little cool thing. So let me blow dry my hair, and once I get it blow dried, I will be right back. Okay, so I finished blow drying my hair. Once I was done, I realized I forgot to spray like a heat protectant in my hair. I am really bad about forgetting that step. But ladies, use a heat protectant in your hair. But when I did finish blow drying my hair, I went in and I squirted about 4 pumps of this grapeseed oil by Shea Moistures, and I just like put it all over my hair. So I only used 4 pumps, and I made sure I just focused it towards like the middle part of my hair on down to the ends, because my scalp gets oily quick. So I don't need the oil there as much as I do on the middle to the ends of my hair. So I am going to be using my Shea flat iron that I got from Ulta. They constantly have Shea flat irons like on sale and stuff like that, so you can get you a Shea. It's like my favorite flat iron to use, and I have this on 370 degrees Fahrenheit. You can use it on 350, but I want it to be like super straight, because I'm about to get out into the world, and I know if I don't straighten it good enough that it's gonna really puff up, but if I like press it almost, then I know it'll stay like straighter a little bit longer in this Houston humidity. So I already have like the back part of my hair section off. It would be better if I knew how to like trace it or follow it up with a comb, but I'm just not that great yet. So I am just going to pull this out, start it at the root, and then I just pinch this as hard as I can to make sure it's really pressing my hair. And then I just go through it 2 or 3 more times, and then I am done. All right, y'all, so I am done flat ironing my hair. Between me finishing flat ironing my hair and me doing my makeup, like the little bit of a curl that I had in my hair has left from this side, but that's to be expected. I live in Houston, so it's humid, so this is pretty much what it's gonna be. This side will probably puff up a little bit more, but that's okay because I like big hair. But yeah, this is the finished look. And my next video, I will be posting like how I get like a whole bunch of body all over my head. So yeah, be on the lookout for that video. But in the meantime, like and subscribe to my channel, and I will see you in my next one. Bye.